What is going on, and welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for checking us out. On this channel, we talk all about pressure washing, all about soft washing, and everything from sales and marketing to how stuff works, troubleshooting, equipment reviews, and generally just things that are going to help your business grow. And today, we're going to talk about our amazing new work shirts. The folks at Finprint sent our team a bunch of shirts about a month ago, and I wanted to get them on the guys out in the field and put them to the test to see how they hold up in the real world. Sure, they look amazing, but the first thing you notice when you put on one of these liquid titanium shirts is how soft and smooth it is. Not only is it the lightest weight fabric that Finprint offers, it's antimicrobial for smell resistance, they are moisture wicking and UV blocking, but most importantly, at least for the pressure washing industry, they are chemical resistant, which means no more bleached out uniforms, and that is huge because presentation of yourself and your company is so important. When our team shows up to a customer's house or a place of business, they stand out. Their trucks are clean and organized, their trailers are well maintained, and uniforms clearly speak for themselves. The last thing I said is so important. These shirts speak for themselves. They are actually walking billboards that are selling and marketing, reinforcing brand awareness every second one of my guys is wearing them. Whether it's on the job or at the gas station or the grocery store, these shirts demand attention and they get it. We've landed $4,500 of business as a direct result of these shirts over the last month that I specifically know about. Perfect example. Matt was filling up his personal truck at a gas station on the way to work. A guy next to him took a picture of the back of his shirt, called us and scheduled a $2,800 house wash, roof wash, interior and exterior window cleaning. That is impressive ROI. The Finprint website makes it really easy to design your shirts. They also have a design department that can create a logo for you if you need it and help with the shirt design. Their customer service is over the top and overall just a very friendly, professional company to deal with. Let's find out what the guys think. Turn around, let me see. Very nice. That is all of our information. Little American flag, my logo, trademark, don't steal it. And Mac, so what do you think of these shirts?
They are very professional, they're very good fitting and stuff like that, and I've had a few people stop me already and just comment on my shirt, you know, just ask about it and everything. All the information's right on it. So.
Awesome. All right, brother, thank you. John, tell me what you think about the new shirts.
They're comfortable, they don't get bleached out, they're nice, man.
All right, I like it. Thanks, man. So tell me about what happened at the gas station.
Some guy took a picture and he's going to call us.
Perfect, and he did. Thanks, man. You can get back to work.
Hey, can I interrupt for just a second? What's going on, you guys? It's Scott with Scott Cleans It, and today I just wanted to jump in here on Mike's video and interrupt and tell you about why I like Finprint. I have been dealing with Finprint since I started my cleaning business a year and a half ago, and I swear by these shirts. These are my new shirts that I just got in. They look great, they feel great. Down here in South Georgia, the weather gets really, really hot in the summertime, so these things are very breathable. They're very bleach resistant, but right now we're having some colder weather, so I actually got some hoodies in that match my jerseys as well. So if you guys want my opinion, I highly recommend Finprint. 10 out of 10, guys. I mean, customer service, quality of shirts, the design team, top-notch company, and I could not be happier. So, Mike, back to you, bud.
Thanks, brother Scott. Appreciate the interruption and your input. If y'all aren't watching Scott's channel, you need to check it out. He is the real deal, tells you how it is as he's building his pressure washing empire. His channel is in the link below. But back to your regularly scheduled programming. These Finprint shirts, not only are they functional work shirts, they are high quality, well designed, very comfortable, bleach and stank resistant, and they're gonna make you money. Like I said, you and your employees become walking billboards that are constantly working to generate more business, increased brand awareness, and make you look pretty good while you're doing all of that. I love these shirts. My guys love these shirts. Scott loves these shirts. So check out Finprint and get some for yourself. I put the link in the description below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe button, leave us a comment, but most importantly, have a great day.